How to make fitness website on Wix. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create a website on Wix.com. So it may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it and how to earn your money online. Firstly, you need to create an account or log into your account on Wix.com. As you can see, I already did it. I am in my account. So guys, feel free to create an account on Wix.com because it's completely free and free forever. You just need to use your email address and create a suitable password so you can have your account. This is the home page on Wix.com. Here you can see the sites you've been creating before, and this is the main button, blue button, create new site. I will click it and Wix.com will redirect me on the new page. Here we can create our site. So now Wix website offers us to try an AI help, but in this video we don't really need it, so just click to set up without chat. And now we need to choose what type of website do we want to create. Either this fitness trainer blog if you are a fitness trainer and you need to have a website for your blog, or you can have your own fitness center and you may need the site for these goals, like to promote your fitness center and sell some products on the site, like or you have fitness school, fitness group, fitness dance studio. So you have a plenty of variants here. Let's see: fitness trainer, fitness coach landing page, fitness group, fitness trainer academy, fitness trainer blog, fitness model, fitness event, online fitness class. Like just let's image you have your own fitness center. Let's choose this one. If you guys have another goal, another purpose to have a site, feel free to choose another one. What's the name of your business? Yes, for example, your fitness center is calling like Best Fitness Center, just like this. And here you can have your business address, like street and city. Put it right here if you really have your fitness center. I don't. I'm just creating a video for you, so I will just skip this step. And the same about this page, set your default working hours. So this one is more interesting. Start adding services, choose any of our customizable services or create one of your own. So services for fitness center right here. Next level handstands training, personal training, football and footwork, open gym, training package, equipment inspection, full day training, private lesson. For example, in your fitness center you are having such services as this one: personal training, of course, open gym, of course, training package, yes, we would like to have this one, equipment inspection, nah, I don't really want it, full day training, okay, and private lesson. So you can even create new service right here if you want to. I will continue. Add staff members. So if you have your staff, you can put a name here, email optional. Like, I will skip this step. What else do you want to do with your business? We will add the right tools to your dashboard. Offer virtual sessions, accept in-person payments, manage your services and bookings on the go, accept online payments, send automated emails and SMS reminders. I think all of those are really nice. Now we are all set, continue to dashboard, and there I have it. You can see we are on Wix website dashboard, and we still need to fill in 7 steps right here. First of all, connect a custom domain. Best Fitness Center. Yeah, I would like this one. Let's go. And yes, bestfitnesscenter.com is available right now, and you can make it yours. So next step is sorry guys, I'm back. And here you can see such steps like add your first service, update your staff details, set up payment option, set up pricing plans, design your website to get found on Google. So you must take the next steps by yourself. Everything is very simple and clear here. I will move straight to this point. The most important, the most maybe complicated and the most interesting part of this video. Now I will show you how exactly we will create our website. Now we need to answer this question. Either we will customize a template or generate a design with AI. I really like this variant. Browse thousands of designs and pick one to customize. I will show you how to do it right now. Here we have our templates. Wix.com have really many of options for our website. To be honest, all of them are really nice, but we need to find fitness studio. Choose whatever you want, choose whatever you really like. I like this one. I can click view to check it out. Now we can check this site, how it will be. It's not even site, it's a template. We will customize it, of course. But yeah, I think this template is really nice, and I will choose this one. To choose this one, click this blue button, edit this site. Now we need to wait until everything loads, until editor's page loads. Wix.com is a perfect tool for creating websites because you don't need to know any of programming languages such as Python, C++, Java, HTML. You just use a website for creating a website. I think this is the best option to creating websites. And so everything is ready. Now we can move on the most interesting part. You can edit almost everything here. Here we can select page, which page we are on our site. We have many pages right here. In the left also we have functions such as add elements, add section, pages and menu, site design, add apps, my business, media, CMS. So this is a template. We want to customize it, of course. For example, we don't really need this our methods. We don't really need this page. You can just delete this easily. Right click, delete. For example, easily delete it. Contact page, I think we will edit this one. Double click on it. And here you have it. You can edit almost everything here. This one, text, double click. You can edit it. You can delete it. You can, for example, you deleted this text and you want to type another one. Basically, you can do like this. Undo button. Double click. And type like here. But for example, you delete it and you need to just create another text. You can click add elements. Here you can select which text you would like to add, like titles, different fonts. For example, business title, yeah, we would like to have this one. So double click, write whatever you want here. And now you can edit this text, like have another style, have another font size, of course. This one is yes. Change color, effects, really many functions of working with the site. can add image. Sorry guys, had to answer this call. So if you want to change these images right here, double click on it, manage. You can manage this one, you can delete this one, you can change it, like you can add new one right here, add elements, add image, upload image from your computer and easily do it. You can add some buttons, strip, decorative, box gallery, menu, contact forms. Really big functional on this site. For example, as you can already saw, the site is divided into several sections, from header, intro section, about section, contact section and footer right here. For example, you want to have a welcome section right here, you don't want to have intro section, delete this one. And you want to add new section, welcome section right here. Easily do it, easily edit it, double click on text, delete this button, add new button. Very easy to use this Wix website editor. For example, you want to have another menu right here. Either you can manage this menu to edit it like you want, or you can delete this one. No, not this button, sorry. Or you can delete this one and add new one right here, menu. Yes, actually I added the same one. Let's choose, for example, this one. Of course, you can change colors, you can change buttons right here. For example, manage menu. You don't want to have this facility right here, delete it. Now you don't have it, so you can drag any of buttons right here, drag anyone right here. Like, really, you want to do it and you do it easily. Like, change the sizes of the sections, adding whatever you want. So basically, as you already saw, the site has a lot of functions, so I recommend trying to explore it by yourself. The entire interface of the site, as you can see, it's very clear to any user. So when you are done editing your website, click this blue button, publish, to go live with your site, so anyone can see it in global internet, you know. So guys, I think that in this video I showed you enough of the basics of using this site. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.